N. Bilang ah. Curve my fingers na. 2. And. Okay, very good. Next. Playing tag tayo. 1 and 2 and. Sige. Careful lang. Oh. Again, 1 and 2 and again, isa pa. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and bilang. Hindi. Ito right cambio, hindi left. Okay? Hindi, left. Right. Right yun. Careful. Isa pa. Sige, next tayo. Get through the woods. Relax lang. Kung masyado mataas, baba mo konti. Yan. Sige. GC. So, okay. Trombone player. Hindi. Habaan mo yung quarter notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Curve. Pa-flat. Sige, tuloy. Babang konti. Huwag masyado. Relax lang. Sige, tuloy. Okay, Susana. Move mo yung left. Yes, number 5. Okay, go. Two and 3 and 4 and tuloy. Little index. So, wait. Okay. Babaan mo yan. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Careful. Isa pa. 1 little 2. Go. Move mo yung thumb. Yes. Sumobra. Re, 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 ti. 4, little 5, little 6. Little 8, yeah. 7, little 8, little 9. Okay, next page. Bells ring out. Ayan, so, may F sharp pa, no? Okay, sige. Isa-isa. Magpe-pedal ka dyan, eh. Yung pedal mo, press mo yung pedal natin. First 2 lines. Ayan, no? To imitate chimes effect, hold the right pedal down. Throughout the first 2 lines. Ito. Sige, yung pedal natin. Sige. Sige, usog mo dito. Sige, usog mo yung combitis mo. Sige, movement. Yan. Yan. Sige. O, push mo yung ano. Bitis. Ano? Makano no? Ito yung pedal, diba? Yan, makatas makanan. Baba mo. Baba mo yung paa. Mga ganyan. Hold first 2 lines. Okay? Sige. Apakan mo lang first 2 lines. Ali, right. Baba mo yung anitang heel mo. Baba mo. Baba mo. Makanin nyo. Makakanin yung bitis mo. Yan, makanin mo. Yan. Yan na. Yan. Yan. O, first 2 lines. Tapos aalisin mo na dito sa 3rd line. Yan. Okay, sige. Go. C, A, F sharp, verb. C, A. A, A. C, no, C is left. C. Left yan, number 2. Yan. Sige. Kaya kang C tapos A. Dola. Sige. Go. Kaya ka. Dola. So, mi, dola. Push sharp. Alis, lakam na yung bitis mo, ano? Oh, sige, 4 counts, go. 2, 3, 4. Oh, bilang pa, apat. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, isa pa natin, ha?